Today we're working on functions, and welcome all of you from around the world. I know you out there in Hong Kong have emailed in, and I appreciate your listening. So on functions, we're looking, in this case, to find specific values of functions. So let's just start, for instance, with f of 0. Let's say they ask you to find f of 0. We just simply plug in 0 whenever there's an x. And we get, in this case, 3, because 4 times 0 is 0. What can we do with that? Well, we can actually create a table. A table is created if we want to graph it. And even if we don't, we can find out different bits of information. So when we put in 0 for x, we get 3 for y. Let's see what else is function, how it behaves. If we put in f of 1, I'm going to go up in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can see how it behaves. Let's go f of 1. We get 4 times 1 plus 3. Hello, Dublin. And this equals 7. So we've got 7 there. And then f of 2, we're going to get 4 times 2. Got to move this up. And bear with me if I disappear from the screen. Okay? F of 2 equals 4 times 2 plus 3, which is 8 plus 3, which equals 11. And I think you're starting to see the pattern. I don't even need to fill in more of these for you to be able to see that every time we go up 1, we're starting to realize that we're going to go up how many? 4. So we've got 15 here and 19 there. Let's check it. F of 3 equals, let's see, we've got f of 3 equal to 4 times 3 plus 3, which is 12 plus 3, which is 15. And yes, indeed, it does work that way. Now, if you're asked to find out how to graph this, you're going to need the information that you just found. You're going to need to be able to plot the information you just found. The all-important y-intercept, and of course, the friend of the y-intercept is our rise over run, which is the slope. Y-intercept is right here. We found it. That's our y-intercept. That's b equals 3. That means we're going to plot the point 0, 3 in order to be able to do this. And how do we get the slope? Our slope is any one of these points here can be y2, and this could be y1. This is x2, and this is x1. And then we have our formula for slope, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm making it more complicated than you need it to be. Simply just go, for every one up here, we've got 4 there. 19, in this case, 19 minus 15 over 4 minus 3. And our slope is equal to 4 over 1, which is equal to 4. We've got all the information we need to graph it, and we will. We've got our y-intercept is 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. And our slope is 4 over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. There you go. And we have a sketch of a line. And if we need to get if we've got f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, and we're done. Thank you again, Paris. I appreciate Moscow. Let's have a clap for our functions video. Let's go clap.